Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to look at I Had Some Help from Post Malone and Morgan Wallen. This is a simple 4-chord, 1-pattern song. Gets us all the way through for some fun musical magic. First we'll look at those chords individually, then we'll look at that pattern that they fall into, and then we'll go through the song as a whole. Those moments are also in the description and key moments below. Starts on an F chord, F, A, C. F major, F, A, C, goes to a C major chord, C, E, G, C major, C, E, G, then to an A minor 7, A, C, E, G, A minor 7, A, C, E, G, and then lastly a G major chord, G, B, D, G, B, D, G major. Each of these chords changes every beat and a half. We get F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor 7, G, F, C, A minor 7, G, F, C, A minor 7, G. For the whole song, whether it's the verse, the chorus, bridges, intros, outros, it's all that. We are just going to add texture to that. Is it just going to be one hand? Or when we want some more rocking, spread it out on the piano, get it into 2 hands, double up these chords. Same notes, F major, C major, A minor, G. Both hands are playing all those notes, and hands are sharing some of the chords. Keeping it all kind of close together for a thick, rich, big band sound, big country rockin' sound. One more little bit to this ditty is a little lead into that F chord. If we can just walk up to it with a D, E, right into it, we can add that in on almost any pattern for just some fun melodic fill-in. D, E, F, C, A minor, G, D, E, F, C. D, E, F. Practice that. Really adds just a little spice to the whole song. Let's look at this song as a whole now. I will stop somewhere before the end since it is very repetitive. I know that you, with the right lyric sheet or with the right chord chart, could get yourself all the way to the end. Ready? In one hand to start out with that walk up. A 1, 2. 2 hands. You got a lot of nerve, don't you? Fourth time goes F, C, just G, F, C, main pattern. Time goes F, C, G, chorus. F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, just G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F. Time is F, C, G, and 2 and 3 and 4 and then union in the sand. F, picking up steam. C to G, chorus, I had some help. Main pattern. F, C, A minor, G. Then the 4th time, just to G, hell, I had some help. Instrumental, rock it out. get it. I have no doubt that you can get all the way through that with the lyrics or a chord chart now that you have practiced so wonderfully with me. I love playing with you today. Practice makes better. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.